How to add two different time clocks on Android. This tutorial shows you how to display multiple time zones using clock widgets on your home screen. First, long press on an empty area of your home screen. Next, a customization menu will appear with various options. Following that, tap on widgets from the menu to view available widgets. Now, scroll through the widget list to find the clock section. Moving forward, tap on clock to expand and see different clock widget styles. After that, look for dual clock or world clock widget options. In addition to that, you'll see various sizes and designs of clock widgets. Once you've found the dual clock widget, tap and hold on it. Subsequently, drag the widget to your desired position on your home screen. Moreover, release your finger to place the widget on your home screen. Afterwards, the widget will appear and may prompt you to configure time zones. Then, tap on the widget or settings icon to select your time zones. Within this section, choose your first time zone from the list of cities. Alternatively, search for a specific city or country to set your first clock. Once the first time zone is set, select your second time zone. Then, tap on Done or Save to apply your dual clock configuration. After that, both time zones will now display simultaneously on your home screen. Then, you can resize the widget by long pressing and dragging the corners. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add two different time clocks on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.